In this guide, I will show you step by step how to check in Flair Airline. So guys, what you have to do, go to Google and search for Flair Airline, check in this keyword as you can see here. After that, scroll down, you will see this page, click on this one, check in online. After that, you will see this page also. This is for check in. From here, write your reservation number, guys, your unique reservation number, and then write your last name. So friends, this is for last name and this is for a reservation number. After that, click find reservation. This is for checking online. So friends, if you don't see this option on official website, just go to Google and search for Flair Airline check-in, and then click on this first result. I hope this guide helpful for you friends. Don't forget, give me a like and give me a share this video for more content, and see you another video soon. Keep watching. Any question down below in the comments and I will answer your question as soon as possible.